how to contact WhatsApp customer service. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can contact WhatsApp customer service, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now in order to basically contact customer service on WhatsApp, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all launch your WhatsApp application here. Then once you launch your WhatsApp app, you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Now what you want to do is, if you want to contact the customer service, tap the three dots option from the top right, then simply go to this option here known as settings. Once you go to settings, scroll down, you'll find the option called help. Tap on help, then just go to help center. After that, you'll find this option here known as support. Now before you go to support, if there is any of the issues that you're related to yours and you can fix it, you can read those articles, or you can just tap on the support option here, and then you can simply enter the message that you want to send to WhatsApp. Just keep in mind, you can't directly contact WhatsApp because WhatsApp is not a bank or a payment application. If it were, they would be contactable like that, but they are just a social media platform and they can't give time to each user personally because they have got billions of users. That is why you have to enter your queries and then they will be able to get back to you. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.